Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Clamp the head in a padded vise to stop rotation and protect finish. Apply penetrating oil at the adapter seam and let it soak for 5–10 minutes so the bond breaks down. Heat the hosel area with a heat gun in short bursts to soften epoxy if present. Do not overheat the shaft. Use the correct hex key or adapter tool and turn slowly to detect breakaway torque. If it resists, stop and reapply heat and oil. Once the bond is weakened, position the removal tool square to the adapter and apply steady, controlled torque while you hold the shaft to prevent twist damage. If rotation starts, continue slowly. If it stalls, pulse heat near the seam and add more penetrating oil, waiting between attempts. For press-fit adapters, tap the tool gently with a soft hammer while applying torque to creep the adapter free. Make sure to keep the shaft supported. You must avoid bending forces that risk cracking the shaft. You finish by cleaning the tip. Remove epoxy residue with an appropriate solvent and light abrasion, then inspect the shaft end for nicks or ovaling. If the adapter withdrew cleanly, prepare the tip for a new ferrule or adapter by trimming and sanding to the correct length and taper. If the adapter remains seized despite heat, oil, and measured torque, stop. Do not increase force. Your troubleshooting tip: seek a shop with a heat press.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.